Guys, here is the 2-year-old papaya, no? They are so good. They are the red papaya. See? Enjoy watching. Probably 7-footer now. Getting really tall. Look. Wow. I'm getting stronger body. And look at this. The fruit or the flower is not falling off anymore like it used to do. Instead, they're developing like that. See? See that shape? It's a red purple, guys. This is like a hermaphrodite. This one, it can be girl or a female or a male. So this one is I am they are the same one. Male can be male or a female. I show you the female one. Here is the female one. Don't have anything on them. Like this one here, got like a weird kind of flowers design. This is just like this. See that? And it shows like this. The first female one here. It got one fruit right now. Wow, it's amazing, guys. It really grow nicely, and I like that. Again, that's a red papaya too. Yeah, it's amazing. I can't wait. Oh, windy. Can't wait this one to be a bit more bigger until it's ripening. There's another one here. So it's just pulling this way. So probably need some string to put it in the other papaya so it won't go around. See? More here, one more. See, that's a female one. They don't have a flower here and there than the other, like hermaphrodite plants. Wow, exciting papaya. There's another one here. It's a female too. See, they don't have weird flowers like they have. Yeah, I can't believe. Okay, that's female as well. But I can't believe the male trees they go with papaya fruits too. We'll see what this tastes like later on. See the flowers there, guys? It's a red one. Like got 3 or 4 flowers in one stem. See, 1, 2, 3, and big one in the middle create the fruits. Wow, huge. So huge and very healthy. See that? Yeah. So happy with all this papaya here. Very good. Just only 2 years old. I got one, the oldest one. It's just getting a lot of fruit, and it just died last summer where it's really heat wave. Anyway, I'm so glad they really doing well. One more glance with the fruits. Yeah. Wow. It's nice. Okay. Beautiful papaya. I think just one day so it won't get fall down later on. See the female one, it's skinnier and not growing so tall. Where the female one, stronger body, well, look at this. And so tall. That's the differentiate, guys. Cheers! Enjoy watching. Have a great day, love you people. See you soon. Bye! Subscribe if you want to see more and follow us along. Cheers! Bye! Bye bye, guys. See you later. Bye. Okay, one more glance already. Alright, guys, have a good day. Cheers. Wow.